Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Run if trouble is after you. Sometimes bravery means standing tall. Sometimes bravery means turning into a professional racing hurricane. Can actually save your peace, your time, and your snacks. 1. Angry goose incoming. If a goose starts marching towards you like a security guard with attitude, run. Reason why? Geese don't negotiate, they hold grudges. 2. Drama explosion. When people start yelling louder than a broken karaoke machine, walk away fast. Reason why? Protect your peace and your eardrums. 3. The free advice stranger. If somebody gives 45 minutes of advice you never asked for, escape respectfully. Reason why? Your battery life matters. 4. Shopping cart racer. If someone pushes a shopping cart like it's a Formula 1 car, move aside quickly. Reason why? Safety first. Tomatoes deserve protection too. 5. Group gossip tournament. If a group suddenly whispers while looking at everyone, don't join. Reason why? Peaceful people avoid unnecessary chaos. 6. The mosquito army. 1 mosquito, fine. 30 mosquitoes, tactical retreat immediately. Reason why? They train for this mission. 7. Internet argument warriors. If an online comment section looks like a volcano eruption, close the app. Reason why? Not every battle deserves your Wi-Fi. 8. Wet floor surprise. If the floor looks shinier than your future, slow down or run carefully away. Reason why? Nobody wants accidental breakdance moves. 9. Super spicy food challenge. If the food makes says, are you sure? 3 times because reason why your stomach deserves human rights. 10. Fake friend dictator. If someone only appears when they need favors, create distance politely. Reason why? Real friendship goes both ways. 11. Chaotic group projects. If nobody understands the assignment, but everyone is confident, run. Reason why? Academic survival instincts. 12. The failing object panic. If somebody yells, watch out, don't stand there thinking dramatically. Reason why? Gravity works internationally. 13. Toxic negativity cloud. If somebody complains about everything 24/7, recharge somewhere else. Reason why? Positive energy is important. Remember, running away from trouble isn't a weakness. Sometimes it's a wisdom with extra cardio. Stay kind, stay safe.